Hello and good day. Today we're diving into one of the most intriguing and exciting topics in the automotive world, the most trouble-free car brands of 2024. This list is based on comprehensive surveys conducted by independent organizations and interviews with thousands of car owners and drivers. We won't just present a list. We'll provide a detailed analysis of each brand and explain why they made the cut. Ready? Let's explore the most trouble-free car brands in the automotive world. This list was created based on surveys conducted by the European Consumers and Users Organization with approximately 30,000 drivers and car owners. The scope and depth of the survey enhance the reliability of the results. Since the cars used in Europe are almost identical to those sold in Turkey, this survey is highly relevant and important for the Turkish market as well that save thousands of dollars. Survey methodology. The survey included participants from various demographic groups, considering factors such as age, gender, income level, and geographic location. Participants were asked about their overall satisfaction with their vehicles, reliability, maintenance costs, fuel efficiency, and driving experience. The responses were used to determine the scores for each brand. Engine killer 1. Suzuki, 93 points. Suzuki tops the list with 93 points. This Japanese brand has been known for its trouble-free and durable cars for many years. Suzuki's success in small and mid-segment vehicles played a significant role in achieving this score. Suzuki cars are known for their low maintenance costs and high fuel efficiency. Never do this. Suzuki's popular models include the Suzuki Swift and Suzuki Vitara. Users praise Suzuki cars for their durability and low maintenance costs. Additionally, the compact size of these cars, making them suitable for city driving, is seen as a significant advantage. Suzuki's new models are equipped with advanced technology, safety features, and connectivity solutions. The new generation Suzuki Swift stands out with its stylish design and high performance. Save thousands of dollars. 2. Subaru. 93 points. Subaru also scores 93 points but takes the second spot. Subaru's all-wheel drive systems and safety features are key factors in this success. Subaru cars offer an excellent driving experience, even in challenging road conditions. Engine killer. Popular Subaru models include the Subaru Outback and Subaru Forester. Users appreciate Subaru cars for their safety features and all-wheel drive systems. The comfortable and spacious interiors are also a significant advantage. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system enhances the safety of the vehicles. This system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision warning. Mechanics hate these. 3. Toyota. 91 points. Toyota is one of the first brands that come to mind when thinking of trouble-free cars. The Corolla model, in particular, remains one of the best-selling cars worldwide. Toyota's durability and low maintenance costs contributed to this score. Toyota cars are known for their longevity and high resale value. Never do this. Toyota's popular models include the Toyota Corolla and Toyota Camry. Users praise Toyota cars for their durability and low maintenance costs. The high resale value is also a significant advantage. Toyota's Safety Sense system enhances vehicle safety. This system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision warning. Save thousands of dollars. 4. Cupra. 91 points. Cupra, a premium sub-brand of seat, has quickly achieved great success. Cupra's sporty and luxurious cars are gaining significant attention in the European market. Cupra cars stand out with their high performance and stylish designs. Engine killer. Popular Cupra models include the Cupra Leon and Cupra Ateca. Users appreciate Cupra cars for their high performance and stylish designs. The comfortable and luxurious interiors are also a significant advantage. Cupra's new models are equipped with advanced connectivity solutions and driver assist systems. The new generation Cupra Leon stands out with its stylish design and high performance. Mechanics hate these. 5. Kia. 89 points. The South Korean brand Kia has been attracting attention with its significant development in recent years. Kia's quality and affordable cars have secured its place on this list. Kia cars are known for their long warranty periods and low maintenance costs. Never do this. Popular Kia models include the Kia Sportage and Kia Ceed. Users praise Kia cars for their long warranty periods and low maintenance costs. The affordable prices and quality interiors are also significant advantages. Kia's UVO Connect system enhances the connectivity and safety features of the vehicles. This system includes remote vehicle control, emergency assistance, and vehicle health monitoring that save thousands of dollars. 6. Smart. 88.9 Point Smart, a semi-European and semi-Chinese brand, stands out with its compact and city-friendly cars. Smart cars are known for their low fuel consumption and easy parking. Engine killer. Popular Smart models include the Smart 42 and Smart 44. Users appreciate Smart cars for their low fuel consumption and easy parking. The compact size, making them suitable for city driving, is seen as a significant advantage. Smart's new models are equipped with advanced connectivity solutions and safety features. The new generation Smart 42 stands out with its stylish design and high performance. Mechanics hate these. Honda. 89 Points Honda has been known for its trouble-free and durable cars for many years. The Civic model, in particular, remains one of the best-selling cars in Turkey. Honda cars are known for their high fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. Never do this. Popular Honda models include the Honda Civic and Honda CR-V. Users praise Honda cars for their high fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. The durability and spacious interiors are also significant advantages. Honda's sensing system enhances vehicle safety. This system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision warning. Save thousands of dollars. 8. Mitsubishi. 89 Points Mitsubishi, a Japanese brand, has been a part of the automotive world for many years. Mitsubishi's durable and economical cars contributed to this score. Mitsubishi cars are known for their all-wheel drive systems and high fuel efficiency. Engine killer. Popular Mitsubishi models include the Mitsubishi Outlander and Mitsubishi ASX. Users appreciate Mitsubishi cars for their all-wheel drive systems and high fuel efficiency. The durability and spacious interiors are also significant advantages. Mitsubishi's Super All-Wheel Control System enhances the all-wheel drive features of the vehicles. This system offers an excellent driving experience, even in challenging road conditions. Mechanics hate these. 9. Nissan. 87 Points Nissan, a Japanese brand, has been a part of the automotive world for many years. Nissan's durable and economical cars contributed to this score. Nissan cars are known for their low maintenance costs and high fuel efficiency. Never do this. Popular Nissan models include the Nissan Qashqai and Nissan X-Trail. Users praise Nissan cars for their low maintenance costs and high fuel efficiency. The durability and spacious interiors are also significant advantages. Nissan's ProPilot system enhances the autonomous driving features of the vehicles. This system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic parking. Save thousands of dollars. 10. Mazda. 87 Points Mazda, a Japanese brand, has been a part of the automotive world for many years. Mazda's durable and economical cars contributed to this score. Mazda cars are known for their stylish designs and high driving pleasure. Engine killer. Popular Mazda models include the Mazda CX, 5, and Mazda 3. Users appreciate Mazda cars for their stylish designs and high driving pleasure. The durability and low maintenance costs are also significant advantages. Mazda's iActive Sense system enhances vehicle safety. This system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision warning. Mechanics hate these. Lexus. The pinnacle of the premium class, although not included in this list. Another brand worth mentioning is Lexus. Lexus scored 98 points, nearly achieving a perfect score, and stand at the pinnacle of the premium class. Lexus, Toyota's luxury brand, is known for its quality and durability. Lexus's success once again proves the leadership of Japanese brands in the automotive world. Never do this. Lexus stands out with its luxurious and comfortable cars. Lexus cars are known for their high-quality materials and advanced technology features. Additionally, Lexus's customer service and after-sale support are significant advantages. Popular Lexus models include the Lexus ES and Lexus RX. Users praise Lexus cars for their luxury and comfort. The high-quality materials and advanced technology features are also significant advantages. Lexus's Safety System Plus enhances vehicle safety. This system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision warning that save thousands of dollars. The situation of European brands. Another notable point in this list is the absence of European brands. Although premium European brands like Mercedes, BMW, and Audi are not included in this list, it does not mean they are of poor quality. The organization conducting the survey stated that no models failed and all brands are at a good or very good level. However, the leadership of Japanese brands in this area is noteworthy. Engine killer. European brands stand out with their luxurious and high-performance cars. However, some users criticize these brands for their high maintenance costs and complex technology features. Additionally, the prices of European brand cars are generally higher. Popular models of European brands include the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, BMW 3 Series, and Audi A4. Users appreciate the luxury and performance of European brand cars. However, some users criticize the high maintenance costs and complex technology features. European brand cars are equipped with advanced technology, safety, and connectivity solutions. In particular, Mercedes-Benz MBUX system enhances the connectivity solutions and user experience of the vehicles. Mechanics hate these. The rise of electric cars in recent years. The rise of electric cars has caused significant changes in the automotive world. Tesla has started to take over Europe slowly, and other brands are entering the market with their electric cars. Brands like Hyundai and Kia are achieving great success with their electric cars. The developments of Japanese brands in this area are also closely monitored. With the increasing popularity of electric cars, it's important to remember that this list may change. Electric cars attract attention with their eco-friendliness and low operating costs. Additionally, the high torque and quiet driving experience of electric cars are seen as significant advantages. However, some users criticize electric cars for their insufficient charging infrastructure and high prices. Popular electric car models include the Tesla Model 3, Hyundai Kona Electric, and Kia e-Niro. Users appreciate the eco-friendliness and low operating costs of electric cars. However, some users criticize the insufficient charging infrastructure and high prices. Electric cars are equipped with advanced technology battery systems and charging solutions. In particular, Tesla's supercharger network is an important feature that enhances the charging infrastructure of electric cars that save thousands of dollars. Future trends. The automotive world is constantly changing and evolving. The rise of electric cars, the development of autonomous driving technologies, and the growth of the sharing economy are important trends shaping the automotive world. It's important to closely monitor how these trends will affect future car models and brands. Engine killer. The increasing popularity of electric cars is pushing automotive brands to develop new technologies and solutions. Developments in battery technology, improvements in charging infrastructure, and reductions in the prices of electric cars are important advancements in this area. Autonomous driving technologies have the potential to revolutionize the automotive world. The development of these technologies can completely change the driving experience and significantly reduce the number of traffic accidents. The growth of the sharing economy is changing car usage habits. Car sharing, ride-hailing services, and subscription models enable automotive brands to develop new business models. Mechanics hate these. Conclusion. The list of the most trouble-free car brands of 2024 highlights the leadership of Japanese brands. Brands like Suzuki, Subaru, and Toyota have made it to this list with their trouble-free and durable cars. The absence of European brands in this list once again proves the leadership of Japanese brands in this area. However, the rise of electric cars is causing significant changes in the automotive world, and it's important to remember that this list may change.